Creating a log type file has never been easier. But if you have a Windows PC, then it's like magic. Microsoft Notepad is a word processing tool included with Windows. You can use it to create a log type file that adds the current date and time each time the Notepad file is opened. Let me show you. Step 1. Open Notepad. Press Windows and R key together. You will get the Run window. And then type the Notepad. Type .log at the very beginning or at the first line. And .log must be in capital letters, and then save the file. Now, whenever you will open the saved file, Notepad automatically inserts the current date and time after the last line. Now, I will add some text and will close the file. I will open again, and I will see the current date and time after the last line. Isn't it nice that you can create your simple log file without any third-party software? So, start using Notepad if you want to log some activities. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.